And there they go. Bell's Asset jumps quick out of the gate. What about Will Europa? Showing speed. Gobernadora Don Paulo. Then followed by Forever Young. Running by the wheel, 5 o'clock around the outside now. Storm, amazing success. While Be My Baby is running in a tail of the field. Going along for the first turn, Best Asset. Leading Balang Kanaya, followed closely by Gobernadora. 3 lengths para back in third, Don Paulo, then followed by Europa. Around the outside now, Forever Young, 5 o'clock. Next online, Amazing Success, and moving in now is Storm, while Be My Baby still running in the tail of the field. Passing the half mile, Gobernadora, a long shot, leads now by some two. Followed by Best Asset in second, running enter Don Paulo. Europa now from the outside together with Forever Young. 5 o'clock is racing, fifth another 2.5 length Storm. Be My Baby, Amazing Success. Inside the last 600. It's still Gobernadora, Europa on the outside. Forever Young also coming closer. Best Asset Don Paulo. 5 o'clock on the outside. Storm, Be My Baby. Towards the final turn, Europa takes the lead now. Balang. Forever Young now on the outside. Forever Young on the outside. Running by the wheel, Europa and Be My Baby. But still Forever Young, Europa, Be My Baby. And finally Forever Young, Europa, Be My Baby, Don Paulo.